Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. And today we're going to be cleaning up this queen. I bought this knife up at Pine Mountain at an antique consignment mall. It's my favorite little place that never disappoints. We're going to be shaping up that edge. Going to be getting this glue off. A little bit of rust there. But this knife is going to clean up really good. I'm going to try to buff these scratches out as best as I can. You can see it's got a little gook in there, not real bad, some pocket lint, but she ought to clean up real good, get a little bit of snap back. And that's about all we're gonna do to it. Give it a good cleaning and reshape that blade right there. It look like it's been broke before. Okay, I'm gonna give the knife the initial cleaning with my fabric wheel and my 3-inch grinder. Not too bad. Cleaned up good. I'm gonna try to get this off with Never Dull. I don't want to erase that queen on there, so I'm gonna leave that alone on that blade. But it cleaned up pretty good. I want to clean all down in there and there, right there. Get that stuff out. I'm gonna reshape the blade at the end. First things first, we're going to get that gook out of the chamber here. Pocket lint. I think that was in somebody's pockets who carried this knife. It's a big knife to carry now, ain't no lie. It's pretty though. Okay, now I'm gonna use my Never Dull. Try to get that rust off of there, because I don't want to erase that queen. See that the writing there? That's why I didn't get that off with the fabric wheel. It's turning into patina, which I could get that off of there with that fabric wheel, but I'm not, because I don't want to get rid of that queen number 20, so we're gonna leave it. .400 grit sandpaper. Again, it's just aggressive enough to clean the knife. It's just not aggressive enough to not hurt the knife. So all right, wire brush time. We got to try to get that stuff out of there. Now we're gonna give it a little bit of oil. Oh, you hear, see that? How about that? Ain't that so cool? I love giving them the snapback. It had a little bit of snap, but nothing like that. I'm telling you, I'm really falling in love with these queens because they have the best snap that I've seen on any knife. That is so awesome. getting pretty, y'all. It's getting pretty. Man, check this out. I love this. Awesome. My wife, if you remember, she found this knife. I done walked by it probably 5 times. Not even looking at it. I was looking for glass cases because they usually keep knives like this in a glass case. But she has a good eye. We've been together now for 35 years. January the 7th. We'll be together 35 years. Alright. Now, I'm fixing to get that polish out and try to get that off of there and try to polish that blade up some. We're going to reshape the blade at the very end and give it a new edge. Now remember, I got this Flitz. I used it yesterday for the first time and I absolutely love it. How about that, guys? Things clean up like a champ now. I knew it would. Look at all that oil. That Flitz, man, I love this stuff. Wow. A little bit of elbow grease to use, but hey, it's worth it. Love it. I just want to thank James again for this Flitz, man. You have made me fall in love with this stuff. I swear. Good stuff. See that? Looks good in there now. Immaculate. Alright, I think she's ready to, let's do that tip. This time I'm going to be coming from the bottom up, reshaping this tip right here. Giving it the traditional blade shape. Just like that. See that right there? Now we got to give it a new edge, because when anytime you come from the bottom up, it's going to flatten it out. You got to give it a new edge. I'm going to give it a new edge all the way down both sides. Alright. There's a new edge. Beautiful knife. That point turned out really good. I'm very pleased with it. And it's razor sharp too. You won't believe how already. I'm gonna hone it in with my work sharpener over there. But man, it's razor sharp already. Man, good steel here. Just see how sharp she is. That's pretty sharp, ain't it? That's sharp enough for me. Okay guys, here it is. the queen that my wife found, the toothpick, number 20, up in Pine Mountain, Georgia at the Antique Consignment Mall. My favorite little place that never disappoints. She looks like a toothpick now. Check it out. Man, she shined up beautiful now. I knew it would. See that nice new edge? And it's sharp too. Nice new edge. Ain't that beautiful? Listen to the snap. Oh boy. I could do that all day long. Beautiful now. I probably could have buffed these scratches out a little bit more, but you see that I didn't want to get rid of that. That's what I want to leave on the blade. Sometimes, guys, you just got to let an old knife be an old knife, but make it a clean old knife. You know what I mean? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful knife. I've really fallen in love with Queen now. I never really jumped on them and started collecting, but the more that I find these things, the more I'm fooling with them, cleaning them up, and I'm finding that these are well-made knives. Snap like no other. I mean, it's just got a nice snap. The snap come back really good. All it needed was some TLC. Again, everything needs a little bit of loving. Even knives, guys. Even knives. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I just love doing this stuff like this. I love bringing an old knife back to life. I love saving lives of old knives is what I love to do. I love it. And I just want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.